guys, so today we have a guest, and my guest's name is Charlie. Unfortunately, Charlie is very dirty because he's been a very bad boy. Charlie, say hi. Hi. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe because it's really, really important. Anyway, just like the title states, today is a transformation day. Today I'm going to be transforming myself from basic to baddie. Okay, sorry, I'm being too extra. Yes guys, so today I'm going to be transforming myself from this to this. So you're going to see how I transform myself. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm not going to lie, I'm done with my brows. I have tried doing my eyeshadow for the third time and I still can't figure out which color I want to use. So in the spirit of bright colors, I'm going to choose one of these crazy colors. Now pray for me. Remember me in prayers. Because if it doesn't come out well, no one is seeing this video ever. Which one would you actually prefer? This blue or this mauve? Or that blue? Choices, choices. I have no idea, you guys. Let's prime them lids. Let's with the Sacha Buttercup. Because we need this thing to glow too. Can you see it? It looks like a girl, but she's a flame. Okay guys, unfortunately I would have to use voiceover for some parts of this video because while I was filming, my neighbor was making so much noise that I could hardly hear myself speak. So please bear with me. I'll try my best to, do a chit chat next time. Walking fire. These galleys in fire. So for the eyes, I'll be using Mercier by Juvia's Place. And I'm currently using Zulu and Ada for my crease, before I put all the shiny stuff. So after blending for a while, I used the LA Girl concealer in Fawn to do a soft cut crease, which is just meant to make sure that my eyeshadow pops out, like. Do you ever just feel like something is a bad idea but you do it anyway? This was me, okay? I had so many bad vibes with this blue, but I still did it anyway because, like I said, it's color season, So when I was finally satisfied with the look, I went back into the Zulu palette and used Fulani to smoke out the outer corner of my eyes. Okay guys, so I'm done with the eyeshadow. Do not judge me. I know I look crazy as hell, but it's fine. I feel like we can still work around it. So today I'm going to be using the Rufai as my primer. I've heard so many good things about it and I wanted to try, but for the longest time I didn't know which one was the best and which one to go for. So I got this from Omani Beauty on IG. So for foundation, I'll be using the Nars. So I'm using the Nars Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Macau. And I know very well that it looks like lighter than my skin tone, but wait on it, okay? After we finish everything, it matches my skin tone perfectly. Just in case you're wondering why I'm always late for events, this is why. After blending in my foundation properly, I then went in with a Nars creamy concealer in the shade Walnut and Truffle, to conceal every detail, you feel me? So usually I mix the sacha buttercup and the Laura Mercier in medium deep, and then I set it all over my face before I even go in and start baking. So as you can see, I do this, and then when I'm done, I go in with the sacha buttercup and then set my face, let it bake small. For some weird reason, this gives me a flawless finish, and I have no flashbacks at all. Take the MAC powder in the shade NW45 to just contour properly, and then just like blend everything on my face to give me that flawless look I want. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm in love with it, to be honest. I wasn't sure about the blue eyeshadow because, but your girl has been doing the most lately, so we tried something new and it came out so well. I'm totally in love with this. If you saw me on the road, would you stop me? Okay, rate me in the comment section. What would you give me right now? What do you think about my look? Like, am I a 10 right now, or I'm still a 0? Definitely not a 0. Like, nah. Definitely not a 0. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you watched to the end, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Charlie, tell them something. Tell my viewers. Really? You're not gonna do that? Are you really just gonna... Wow. Thank you. Now say it.